rugged docking station for an all-new, rugged 10-inch tablet from Dell Technologies. PMT is excited to introduce our most recent rugged docking station for the Dell Latitude 7030 Rugged Extreme tablet. This docking station is manufactured from lightweight CNC machined aluminum to offer an ultra-slim, low-profile solution for maximum operator safety and comfort. Finished in high durability black epoxy powder coat and anodizing results in a solution that can endure the most extreme environmental conditions. Featuring a full range of connector ports including optional HDMI output and an integrated cable management tie rail, PMT's docking station is suitable for deployment into a diverse array of applications. Floating docking connector design offers reliable connectivity in harsh operating conditions, and the key locking mechanism helps to increase device security. One-handed operation makes docking and undocking an easy and effortless procedure for maximum operator safety and simplicity. Integrating PMT's solution with your existing infrastructure will be effortless, quick and efficient with the aid of a universal VESA 75 hole mounting pattern to help keep installation time to a minimum and your fleet operational and on the move. Bringing you PMT's docking station for the Dell Latitude 7030 Rugged Extreme tablet. Rugged, reliable, responsive.